Want to generate a random password using just a few lines of Python? In this video, we'll build a simple password generator using Python's random and string modules. Let's build it. We'll start by importing two built-in Python modules. The string module gives us ready-made collections of letters, numbers, and punctuation, while random lets us randomly select characters from them. Next, we need to define the characters our password can contain. String.ASCII_letters gives us uppercase and lowercase letters. String.digits gives us the numbers from 0 to 9. And string.punctuation gives us special characters such as brackets, question marks, and other symbols. We combine all three into one variable called characters. Now we need to know how long the password should be. We'll ask the user to enter the desired length and store it in a variable called length. The input function collects the value entered by the user. Since input returns text, we use int to convert that value into an integer. So, if the user enters 8, length will contain the integer 8. Now for the main part, generating the password. First, random.choice randomly selects one character from our characters collection. But we don't want just one character. We want as many characters as the user requested. That's where range comes in. If the user enters 8, the loop runs 8 times and selects 8 random characters. Finally, join combines those individual characters into one string and stores the result in password. Now let's display the generated password. The first print statement gives us a simple heading, and the second one displays the password stored in our password variable. And that's the entire password generator. Let's run it and see what happens. In the terminal, I'll run the Python file using python main.py. The program asks for the password length. I'll enter 8. And there's our generated password. Notice that it contains a mixture of letters and symbols. Now let's run it again with the same length. I'll enter 8 once more. And we get a completely different result. That's because random choice makes a new random selection each time the program runs. We can also generate longer passwords. This time, I'll enter 16. And now we have a 16-character password containing a mixture of letters, numbers, and special characters. The same logic works whether you want 8 characters, 16 characters, or even longer. The key idea behind this program is simple. We create a pool of possible characters, randomly select from that pool, repeat the selection based on the requested length, and then join the results into a password. That's the basic logic behind our password generator. And that's how you can build a simple password generator with Python. If you found this useful, like the video, leave a comment, and follow for more programming tutorials. And let me know what you'd like to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.